What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. There's Riley. We're out here enjoying this lovely day. But right now, we're going to test out the Christmas lights on this power inverter that I bought. And so this is a 750 watt rated power inverter right here. I've got it hooked up directly to the battery, which is the way that it shows that you're supposed to do that to get 750 watts. So it's all good. It's turned on. It's ready to go. And we have the cord right here. The moment of truth. Oh man, cross your fingers and toes and here we go.
What is this for, Dad?
Oh baby. Yeah, look at that. Now it's gonna read out our watts there. And it looks like we're 206. Oh,
just keep
from
on
65, 265. Let's go out here and check this out. Hey, don't touch that. Don't touch that. They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
people on. Oh yeah, let's see. I know it's not dark enough to see yet, but if we get real close up for you guys, you can see that all of our lights are in fact on and working. And what that means is that we are gonna be able to put this puppy up on the trailer, and then once we get that done, we're gonna plug in, we're gonna run that extension cord right here from the back up along the trailer, and it's gonna go all the way up to Dora. Somehow we're gonna figure out how to wire up that extension cord all the way up here to Dora. At least that's the plan. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it off.
Hey guys, look,
we know that works. That's awesome.
We got a bat from her.
We got a bat.
I got a bat, mate, and I'm gonna whoop your butt. Okay.
The other option I have is that I could potentially get a generator, put a generator on the front of the trailer, and then I might actually do that. That might be easier than trying to run this cord along the entire side of Dora or something like that. And then I can just run this cord right on the trailer, straight into that generator, and call it good. Yeah, thank you, Riley. Just trying to kick it over here. I think we can go ahead and we can just plug this on back into the house.
Or bat it.
And then here shortly, real soon, it should be getting dark enough that we can actually view that. But Adi's out there on the dirt bike. I'm not sure what he's up to.
Trying to probably do a birdhouse like this does. This hurts!
Hey, watch that bat, bro. You almost hit the car.
Okay.
Don't hit your brother either. Put it, Riley, go put that bat away. What's up?
Can you move the trailer?
Oh, you want me to move the trailer? I know, it's right in your way, huh? Here, I'll tell you what I can move. I can move this log, this big old tire, chock my tires. Anyhow, this is what I really wanted to get into with you guys today. Is, yeah, you got some little glass cleaner. Actually, that's my soapy water. Don't. It's okay. It doesn't need to work. Hey.
What?
No, put the bag. Put the bag. So, when we hauled that GTO, my buddy's GTO, apparently I didn't. Hey, don't spray me, Cohen. No, stop. So, this one on this side I actually lost. I'm not sure how or where or really when. Hey, we're trying to record a video. Be quiet, bro.
I can't. I'm riding the dirt bike.
I just teasing you. And so, Adi, I moved that piece of wood. I'm not moving the trailer.
Then I can go back.
So anyhow, here, put it through the other way like this. Boop. I'll let you do this other side. Anyhow, we lost one, so I found some on Amazon. They're real cheap, and this is why I've got 2 pliers right now, because if you see, this one doesn't actually close all the way like the other side. It doesn't line up. So the reason why is this one got overextended, overbent, and you can kind of see it right here, so I'm gonna try and bend it back.
Welcome back,
Bend this back.
boys and girls.
We're gonna give it a shot. Gonna hold it like right. Nope, nope.
He's trying to bend it
It's definitely not gonna work.
together so I can push back.
No. Let me come over to this.
Rocket! Okay, we're gonna do another one right here. Wait, one right.
No. We gotta find something to kind of block it.
No, none of these are getting good. For real, look. No, and no. So we're gonna go with Daddy.
Got a little piece of wood we're gonna
Yeah,
try.
he's gonna try to put it.
I'm gonna try and just put it like, nope, that isn't gonna work either. Is it? Nope.
Colin, put that's not even a stick. Go. Go. Back,
Guys,
Colin.
watch.
Back, Colin. Back, Colin.
I don't know how we can straighten that out.
Hey, don't punch the camera!
I know. Start this.
Keep on walking, keep on walking, keep on walking, keep on walking. Now go back and keep on walking, boy. Keep on walking, boy. Okay.
No, I feel like I need something to wedge in there.
This.
Nope, that's not gonna do it.
Sorry! Sorry, fans and YouTubers, I accidentally dropped it. So please don't be mad at me. Ow!
This was my baby.
Ow! It feels like beat.
We're gonna find Big Bertha here.
He got the big old tools.
Where's she at?
Why do you call it a she?
Everything's a she.
No, everything's a lot of stuff are boys and a little bit are girls. Show them your eye. Get their eyes in there. Here now. Please, I keep on dropping the phone. So I'm just not gonna let you. I'll be right back so I don't hear any noise. So look at Audie, look what he's doing, boy. Come on, boy. You started. Ow! You started. Ow!
Are you alright?
Ow! Be careful on the end, it's slippery. Ow.
I think this is working.
I slipped on it and hit my butt. Don't trust this, people. Don't trust this. Don't trust this trailer. Don't trust it.
Oof, almost.
Ow. Is that blood right there? Oh, that's just grass. Hey, boy!
I don't know how you keep that from moving
What?
and flatten it out. Sorry, boy. Quit putting the camera on my butt.
I'm not. You're the one who's getting on it. Look what he has. Look how much tools he has. Yeah. Who is this? I don't know who this is. He's crazy. Really? Right back, boy. Get your butt over here. Can you please drive already? Go fast! You're supposed to be fast. Back to the tools. Is it fixed?
It's getting better.
Let me see what the viewers see. Well, they come down here. Let's see.
I think I'm just kind of making it
Hold
worse
it.
in a way. Hang on.
I think you're making it worse. Okay.
There, it's a little better. You can at least push that in easier, and boom, get it. Now it's not such a fight.
I hate fights.
Still isn't quite right.
Stop yelling at me! Okay, I'll be
There
right
we go.
back.
We got to bend back a little bit. Not quite all the way that I wanted it, but at least now you're not trying to pry this pin in there.
And I
And you
took
can
over
just,
a
you
lot
give it a little
of
push.
times.
Just a little push and it'll go. Whereas before I literally had to put my entire body in there on one side. Like I put my knee up in
Look
there.
at this. Look at this ice.
Ooh,
It looks
look
like
at
a
that.
rock.
That's yucky.
It looks like a rock.
So I had to
though.
do that, like
That
put
looks
my
like a
whole
rock.
knee in there, and it was still super tight. But as you can see now, if I put my knee up here, it's pretty loose.
Dad, look,
I'm not
let
too sure how
me
to take
let
this
me show them how I exploded.
apart to try and
Let me show
straighten
them
that
how
out,
I exploded, Dad.
but I'm
me
not
show them.
worried about it.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, Cohen's digging a rut with his big old bike. Dang, boy. Yeah, get it. Well, now the trailer's ready. The Corvette needs to get on top of it.
Here.
I think I need to put the trailer on a battery tender though, because my lights down here, like they work, but they're a little
If you haven't subscribed,
not very
click
bright
that
anymore.
bell
When it's hooked up to the
notifications. Do it right now, please. Hold on.
when it's hooked up to the Dora, to the Explorer. Well, anyhow,
Subscribe to all the videos
good old Dora, her.
and do everything
She needs a
on every
bath.
video.
Man, she needs a bath.
Yes, she needs that.
If only it warm up. I guess today really was like the warm day. You got that other set of pliers? Let me see the other set of pliers, please. Hey, and your driver's license. I don't think you're old enough to drive. I don't think you're old enough to drive, boy. Wait, what does that tag say? That ain't even a state. Yeah, you're driving illegally. We're pulling you over. Woo, woo. Oh, looks like we got a police chase. Anyhow, we are going to end this off here since we got our thing tested out. I'll actually see about getting a generator. Oh, brother. Oh my gosh. He goes, Dad, I'm doing something crazy. And let me tell you, that boy is doing something crazy. He hooked it and he booked it.
Can I do that ending?
You want to do the outro? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Subscribe and like and link that bell if you haven't. Just go in the notifications and do everything. And yee peace! Yeah!
Alright, let's get that close up. Oh yeah. Alright, you heard Riley. Smash that thumbs up button. destroy the red subscribe button.
Yeah.
And don't forget to click that red bell notification next to it. Because your boy here, ID, is doing burnouts for you. And I'm going to have to buy new tires, and he doesn't quite understand that. But keep going. We'll catch you guys in the next video.
I need help.
Let's go, Cohen. Show us our next adventure.